Hello, friends and followers. I'm Thomas Carroll, the host of the History from the Homestead podcast. By now, I'm sure you're all aware of the devastation in the southern United States due to Hurricane Helene. I am asking all of my followers to please donate, whether it's the Red Cross or wherever you want. You can also check out the video descriptions or go to our website, historyfromthehomestead.com. Scroll to the bottom, hit the button for disaster relief, donate $1, $2, whatever it is you would like. Every little bit helps. I'm asking you please to do so.